I want the computer of the mind to be slowing. Yo, get mad, I don't care. I know you want to use the internet, people, but I'ma hurt your feelings by slowing down. And I'm gonna be slow, I'm not gonna be fast. I don't care, get mad, people, cause I'ma slow down. Yeah. Yo, take forever to load. Take forever to load. Take forever to load. Yo, I want the computer of the mind to be slowing. Run slow. I want the computer of the brain to run slowing. Run slow. I want the computer of the brain to run slow. Get a virus infected with where I want the computer to run slow. Run slow, how did I? Yo, I want the computer programming of the human mind to run slow. I want the computer of the brain to run slow. Cause my dad is cursing at me. I want the computer of the mind to run slow. Yo, don't try to tell me that this is fiction. Why grandma told me that Catherine is fiction. Yo, I want the computer of the mind to run slow. Wanna be like dial-up, run slow. My brain to be dial-up. Yeah, I want my brain to be a dial-up internet, dial-up computer. When the wheel spins, that means it's circling and it's thinking and it's taking forever to load. Yo, I want the computer of the mind to run slow. Yo, I want the computer of the mind to run slow. When the little wheel spins and it circles, it spins around, that means it's thinking. It means it's buffering or taking forever to load. Yo, okay. I want the computer of the mind to run slowing. Yo, I want the computer of the mind to run slowing. I want the internet of the mind to run slowing. Run slow, in the idiotic run slow. Yo, I want the internet of the mind to run slowing. Run slow. I want the internet of the brain to run slow. Yeah. It is not powerful, it is not strong, it is infected with